just having lunch in Manchester. We went to Manchester just to go and see Manchester. So we're just having lunch. Me and the girls, as the JD is sleeping in the car. Yes, Doro Rinoshungurudza Karimisa. So yeah, we are having lunch. In Manchester, we just saw a place somewhere when there was Nandos where it's opened, and we just decided to say, you know what? I think there's a little to have a lunch. I'm going to pop. And from here, took the killer shady. Took you later, I like it. Yeah, she fara shady. And it here, guys. What's that now to Simba Mini one day? I'm going to Simba to this city. Let's remember it. Yeah. How is your Boxing Day, guys? Maroil. Mato Guaire. How is your Boxing Day? Mato Guaire.